Hello everyone! Welcome to this WooCommerce tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to add a variable product with swatches. Variable products let you offer different options, like size and color on the same product page, which makes shopping much easier for customers. On my website here, you can see that I already have attributes created for size and color. Okay, let's start with attributes. As you can see, I'm already in WooCommerce dashboard right now. I'll move to the left, hover over the Products section, and click on Attributes. First, I will add Size. Then I'll add Color. Inside Size attributes, I will create the values from XS to L. You can simply click Enter instead of clicking Add New Size below, as it is faster and more efficient. Once they're added, you can see them listed out. Now, I want these in the correct order, from the smallest to the largest. Let's see. I will try sorting them quickly in here, but the order still isn't right when I go back out. So instead, I will open Size again, hold this icon on the right, and drag each value into the proper order. Now when I save and check, everything is in the right order. You can do the same thing with color if you'd like to adjust how those appear. Now, let's move on to the product itself. Here, I'll add the basic information like the name, product description, and an image. To save time, I'll skip ahead to the point where everything has been filled out. Now you can see the product name, description, and image are in place. Scroll down to the product data section. By default, WooCommerce sets this as a simple product, but we need multiple variations, so I'll change it to variable product. Then I'll open the Attributes tab, click Add Existing, and select both size and color. In the Values section, you could type and choose each value one by one, but since I want all of them, I'll just click Select All. It's very important to tick the box used for variations. Without that, the variations won't be created later. After that, I'll save the attributes. Now let's go to the Variations section. From the drop-down, I'll choose Generate Variations, then Confirm. WooCommerce automatically creates 8 variations because we have 2 colors and 4 sizes, so the system generates every possible combination. Let's expand one variation. Here I can assign a specific image that will appear when customers select this combination. I can also set SKU, GTIN, regular price, which is required, optionally add a sale price and other information below. For the other 7 variations, you can repeat the process. Upload different images, set prices, and adjust stock levels if needed. It's flexible, and it makes your product page look professional. Once all 8 variations are configured, I'll click Save Changes. Then I scroll back up and click Publish to make the product live. When I click the permalink, I can check the product on the front end. All the sizes and colors are now available, and the sizes are ordered correctly. But there's something missing. The color options still look plain, just text labels next to size. That can be confusing, because customers might want a visual reference. So now I want to make the colors appear as swatches instead of text. I'll go back to the WooCommerce once again, suffer to plugins, then click on Add New, and search for swatches. Here I find the plugin called Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. I've already installed it, but you can install and activate it on your site. Once the plugin is active, go back to the Attributes page. I only want to change the color attribute, so I'll click Edit under Color. In the Type dropdown, I'll switch it from Select to Color, then click Update. Now back on the Attributes list, I click into Color again. For white, it already looks fine, so I'll leave it. For blue, I'll open the color picker and choose the shade I want. Then, I hit Update again. Now, back on the product page, and there it is. Instead of plain text, the color options now appear as swatches. When customers click on blue, they see a blue circle. When they click on white, they see a white one. This makes the product page much more user-friendly and visually appealing. And that's it! We've just created a variable product in WooCommerce from start to finish. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye.